Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Purple color, chocolate color, orange color, pink color, blue color, green color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Circle, square, triangle, hexagon, semicircle and oval. First we are going to draw the shapes. Circle, square, triangle, next hexagon, next semicircle, next oval. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, circle, blue color, square, orange color, triangle, chocolate color, hexagon, pink color, semicircle, purple color, oval. What we learn? We learn green color, circle, blue color, square, orange color, triangle, chocolate color, hexagon, pink color, semicircle, purple color, oval. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.